Want to earn $600 or more per day with a side hustle? Check out this passive income opportunity. Are you ready to explore an avenue that can potentially yield a daily passive income ranging from $175 to $700? In this presentation, our team will guide you through various income-generating strategies designed to help you earn hundreds of dollars in passive income each day. What's particularly enticing about these methods is their accessibility. You won't need specialized skills, just your computer or smartphone, an internet connection, and the dedication to commit your time and effort. Let's unravel the mysteries surrounding passive income and ensure you're well prepared to embark on this financial journey. Let's dive into the first strategy, one that may not have crossed your professional radar until now. Did you know that you can monetize your underutilized spaces? This means that any surplus room, whether it's in your backyard, driveway, basement, attic, or even a spare closet in your home office can become a lucrative asset. Surprising, right? People are willing to pay a premium each month to use these spaces for storage. To get started, visit neighbor.com and click on the Become a Host option at the top. You'll be able to list a variety of spaces, from garages to driveways, attics to closets. For instance, someone is currently renting out their garage for a monthly fee of $700. Another individual is earning $76 per month by leasing their basement. And there's even someone who's making $10 each month by renting out a closet. These are actual examples of people earning passive income by capitalizing on their unused spaces. Getting started with this strategy is straightforward and, perhaps best of all, completely free. Simply visit neighbor.com, select Host, click on List Your Space, register for a free account, and you'll be all set. It's worth noting that this platform is currently available exclusively in the United States. However, if you reside elsewhere, don't be discouraged. You can employ a similar approach by listing your offers on platforms like the Facebook Marketplace or other local apps. With this strategy, you can anticipate monthly earnings ranging from $50 to $300, depending on the nature of your offerings. While it may not be the highest paying option available, it's a pragmatic way to generate passive income from the comfort of your professional workspace. Now, let's transition to our next strategy, where the potential to earn hundreds of dollars daily is not only possible but remarkably achievable, all while using your smartphone. We as a team regard this as one of the simplest ways to secure passive income online in 2023. Are you familiar with the Amazon Influencer Program? This program allows Amazon to compensate us for crafting product review videos. When you consider that before making an online purchase, many consumers assess the price, read product descriptions, scrutinize reviews, and even watch review videos, it's remarkable that those who produce these videos earn commissions each time a viewer watches at least 30 seconds of their video and subsequently makes a purchase. The opportunities presented by Amazon are significant, given its status as the world's largest online retailer. To begin, we encourage you to enroll in the Amazon Influencer Program. Once accepted, we can commence creating videos. The beauty of this strategy lies in its simplicity. You don't need elaborate recording equipment. Most creators on the platform use their smartphones. Seek out products that lack video reviews. There are countless options to choose from. Afterward, procure the product. Create a video outlining our experience. Offer pertinent information, or respond to common inquiries. Creators consistently produce videos for an array of products, and the best part is that you only need to create the video once. It remains on the platform indefinitely, potentially earning you daily commissions without any additional effort. Before we conclude today's presentation, we'd like to extend an invitation to become a part of the Profitability Plus community. By subscribing to our channel, you not only stay updated with our latest content, but also play a crucial role in supporting our mission to provide valuable insights into earning passive income. Your subscription helps us continue to create informative videos like this one. Plus, if you're eager to explore more strategies and opportunities for making money online, our channel offers a treasure trove of resources just waiting for you. We regularly share in-depth guides, tips, and success stories to help you navigate the world of online income generation. So by subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge that can empower you on your journey to financial freedom. To subscribe, simply click the red subscribe button below this video. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. We truly appreciate your support and we're excited to have you as a part of our community. Thank you for considering subscribing to Profitability Plus. We, as a team, follow content creators who engaged in this strategy for 8 months and consistently earned passive income ranging from $175 to $700 per day, an astounding accomplishment. There's an extensive potential for income, contingent in our commitment to achieving results. Beyond Amazon, consider a platform like Etsy, which in our professional view stands as the prime platform to market your products, whether they are physical or digital. Don't allow hesitation to hinder your progress. Establishing an Etsy store may be more attainable than you assume. Overthinking can potentially deter you from seizing a transformative professional opportunity. Keep in mind that it's more beneficial to embark on a venture, learn from any setbacks, and adapt accordingly than to forgo the opportunity altogether. That brings us to the conclusion of today's presentation. Please feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Which strategy resonates with your professional aspirations the most? And how would you rate each option on a scale of 1 to 10? Your support is immensely appreciated, and we eagerly anticipate our next encounter as a team.